In this video, the E-Revo 2.0 gets broken. Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Yes! I gotta check out where the water is here, man. Oh, that is close! I don't want to get her wet today. Oh, I've broke it. Game over, guys. Game over. Second little jump. Snap that off. Alright, we're just getting it now.
Nice! Oh, you tangled in some rope. Oh, you poor thing.
Oh, I didn't even make it! Oh, we'll go again. That went up, where is it? Oh, I just got a mind of its own. It's got a mind of its own, man. I can't even get it to go in a straight line. Where's it gone? Oh no! Oh, dude. It's in somewhere minging. Oh guys, I can't believe it's broken so early. It's got all these jumps up here, literally. Got like 30 seconds out of it, game over. It's not going to be really long. Oh! I want to jump it more, but I think she's really done.
Right.
Well, what's on the other side of this one? Oh guys, I'm going to give up. Ah, it's not too bad. Oh!
Who's going to get the pat pump out later?
Me!
I'll pump it.
Oh no, guys, it's going away. That's it, we're done. Halfway up and then nail it. Yes!
Love it.
I reckon that would be a good one there as well, look.
Yeah.
Maybe a tiny bit more speed. I'm making a tiny bit more speed so you get a bit more height and that'll do it. Ah! She's gearing up, doesn't it?
Yeah, she does, yeah. Oh, look at the mod on it. Moddy, oh Maxine, you're dirty. You're a dirty girl, you.
Dirty swine, you.
This is a dirty one, this one.
You should have kept on the throttle a bit longer.
I was flat out on the bottle.
Oh, nice landing.
Did I?
Yes.
I can't see.
Oh, we broke it.
I broke her.
Oh no.
Oh.
It was a nice landing, but the spring's out.
No, that's 2 of us on time then.
Oh, look.
Oh no.
Because on the 6XX, on the 6S, they've got weaker shock shafts. Yeah, the end cap comes off.
Oh yeah.
There's your springy.
Oh bugger, we're going home then. Oh shit!
Oh, sorry, mate.
Sorry.
Well,
Oh.
backflip.
Right. Oh, that tree there.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
All right then. Nice. Oh, really? Careful of people's cars.